We've all been there. It's Friday afternoon, an email lands in your inbox, or a team member pings you about a strange file they found. It may look mostly legitimate, but something feels off. In that moment, you don't need a complex manual. You need an expert opinion. Just someone who would answer your question. Is my organization at risk right now? We know that your priority is not becoming a malware researcher. It's keeping your business running. The on-demand hand puts our seasoned team in your corner the moment you need a verdict. It's your direct line to our SOC, seasoned cybersecurity concierges, whether it's a suspicious email, a weird domain, or a file you don't trust. You can offload that uncertainty to us in seconds. Usenet is designed to be as fast and easy as possible. To get started, just head over to the Response tab at UnderDefense MAXI and select On Demand Hunt. For suspicious emails, don't click the link. Just download the EML file, drop it here, and let our experts take the hit instead of your network. For IPs and domains, if you see a strange traffic in your logs, don't wonder if it's a botnet. Paste it in, click Analyze, and we'll cross-reference it with our global threat intelligence. And for files, if you find a random attachment, just upload it. We'll tear it apart in a safe environment and tell you if it's a tool or a trap. You won't get a pile of raw data, just a clear, human-readable report. It tells you exactly what the threat was, like this credential phishing attack. And most importantly, a step-by-step checklist of what to do next. Block this domain, quarantine these emails, check this user. We give you the answers so you can be safe and secure.